Open concept living is not dead. It has just completely evolved for 2026. For years, open floor plans had a massive flaw: they felt sterile, noisy, and completely lacked privacy. But the world's top architects have finally fixed it. Hello beautiful souls, and welcome back to the channel. I am so incredibly happy to have you here with me today. If you're new here, we are all about turning houses into curated, soulful sanctuaries. So, if you love upscale home decor and smart design, grab a warm cup of coffee or tea, get comfortable, and let's get inspired together. In this episode, we are diving deep into the definitive 2026 designer layouts that fuse your kitchen, dining, and living rooms into a single, breathtaking masterpiece. We're talking about invisible kitchens, the massive shift toward rich earth tones, and a brilliant layout secret called soft boundaries. Let's dive right in. The modern luxury kitchen has undergone a fundamental architectural shift, transitioning from a utilitarian workspace into a seamless extension of the home's primary living area. This evolution is driven by the invisible kitchen movement, where the objective is to eliminate visual clutter and prioritize high-end materiality over functional exposure. 1. The seamless architectural envelope. The contemporary gold standard utilizes floor-to-ceiling, handleless cabinetry to create a monolithic effect. By employing push-to-open mechanisms or recessed finger pulls, designers treat the kitchen walls as architectural millwork rather than storage units. This verticality maximizes volume while concealing the traditional breaks in a room, such as soffits or gaps above cabinets, creating a sense of infinite height and spatial continuity. 2. The rise of the dual kitchen configuration. To maintain a pristine aesthetic, luxury layouts now frequently utilize a two-tier functional system. The show kitchen, this is the visible area integrated into the living space. It is designed for light assembly, entertaining, and display. The centerpiece is typically a massive, sculptural island that functions as a piece of functional art. The back kitchen, scullery often referred to as the messy kitchen or dirty kitchen, this secondary zone is tucked behind a pocket door or hidden cabinetry panel. It houses high heat burners, deep sinks, dishwashers, and heavy-duty extraction systems. By relocating the noise, steam, and debris of meal preparation here, the main kitchen remains a tranquil social environment. 3. Total appliance integration. Luxury design now dictates that technology should be felt but not seen. High-performance appliances, such as Sub-Zero refrigeration or Miele ovens, are fitted with custom-milled panels that match the surrounding cabinetry exactly. Even induction cooktops are being integrated directly beneath porcelain or stone slabs, invisible induction, allowing the countertop to remain a completely flat, multipurpose surface when not in use. 4. Materiality and the sculptural island. The kitchen island has evolved from a prep station into a dramatic focal point. Current trends favor waterfall edges, where the stone wraps from the horizontal surface down to the floor. Calacatta marble, prized for its bold, thick veining and crisp white background, it offers a classic yet high-contrast look. Quartzite and engineered quartz, these materials are increasingly popular for their durability and ability to mimic rare natural stones while resisting the etching and staining common in high-traffic kitchens. Tactile finishes. Designers are moving away from high-gloss surfaces in favor of honed, leathered, or brushed finishes, which provide a sophisticated, matte texture that feels organic to the touch. 5. Integrated lighting and atmosphere. To complete the luxury experience, lighting is layered. Beyond functional task lighting, designers incorporate mood lighting, such as LED strips recessed into cabinet plinths, toe kicks, to create a floating effect, or backlit translucent stone backsplashes, ensuring the kitchen transitions beautifully from a bright morning workspace to a dim, atmospheric evening lounge. The challenge of modern open-concept living is maintaining a sense of human scale within a large architectural volume. While the removal of walls creates a sense of freedom and light, it often sacrifices the nesting instinct. To solve this, designers utilize soft boundaries, non-structural cues that signal a shift in function without obstructing sightlines. 1. Vertical transitions, ceilings and floors. Architectural transitions often begin with the vertical plane. A drop soffit or a tray ceiling with integrated cove lighting can create a room within a room effect. For example, a dining area might be defined by a circular plaster ceiling detail that mirrors the table below, effectively lowering the sky of that specific zone. On the floor, transitioning from polished concrete in the kitchen to a warm white oak in the living area provides a tactile and visual boundary. Sunken living rooms, conversation pits, are also seeing a resurgence as they create a definitive boundary through elevation changes rather than physical barriers. 2. Materiality and textural zoning. Different textures evoke different moods and acoustic profiles. A kitchen zone might utilize hard, reflective surfaces like marble and steel for utility, while the adjacent lounge uses soft textiles, high-pile rugs, or wood slat wall paneling to absorb sound and signal relaxation. These material shifts act as subconscious markers for the brain to transition from utility mode to rest mode. 3. Strategic furniture placement. Instead of pushing furniture against walls, designers use floating arrangements. A low-profile, double-sided sectional acts as a bridge, offering seating for both the media area and the fireplace nook. Open shelving units or see-through bookcases provide storage and privacy without blocking natural light, maintaining the visual expansiveness of the floor plan while providing a physical sense of enclosure. 4. Lighting as a spatial anchor. Lighting is the most flexible soft boundary. By using dedicated light circuits, a homeowner can illuminate the kitchen island while keeping the dining area in a soft glow, effectively disappearing the unused space. Statement pendants act as visual anchors, grounding furniture groupings and defining the center of a zone. Layered lighting, combining floor lamps, sconces, and task lighting, creates pools of light that naturally draw people into specific areas. 5. Biophilic dividers. The use of greenery, such as a row of tall planters, a floor-to-ceiling vertical garden, or a large olive tree, introduces a living boundary. This not only improves air quality and acoustics but provides a soft, organic screen that feels less clinical than a traditional partition. The psychological impact, prospect and refuge. By bypassing traditional drywall, the home achieves a balance of prospect and refuge. You have the broad view, prospect, of the entire home, which feels luxurious and airy, but you also have defined corners, refuge, where you feel protected and cozy. This intentional zoning ensures that every square foot of an open space has a clear purpose, preventing the warehouse effect and ensuring the home remains functional for multiple simultaneous activities. The interior design landscape of 2026 marks a definitive departure from the clinical minimalism of the previous decade. As homeowners seek sanctuary and emotional resonance within their living spaces, the cool and sterile aesthetic is being replaced by a movement defined as modern heritage and organic luxury. This shift prioritizes tactile depth, historical continuity, and a palette rooted in the natural world. The philosophy of modern heritage. Modern heritage is the art of blending the old with the new to create a space that feels evolved rather than purchased. It moves away from the fast furniture culture, favoring artisanal craftsmanship and pieces with a narrative. This involves integrating vintage silhouettes or architectural details, such as crown molding or reclaimed timber, with clean, contemporary layouts. The goal is a lived-in elegance that suggests the home has been curated over generations. The 2026 color palette, Earthy Minimalism. The 2026 color story is grounded in new neutrals. These are not flat beiges, but complex, pigment-rich tones that change with the light. Sandy travertines and warm microcement, these materials provide a seamless, monolithic look for floors and walls. Unlike cold polished concrete, warm microcement offers a velvet-like finish that softens the acoustics and visual temperature of a room. Muted terracotta, moving away from the bright oranges of the past, 2026 favors sun-baked clays and deep sienna, used primarily in mudrooms, kitchens, or as lime wash accents. Forest green and deep ochre, these serve as the new anchors. Forest green, in particular, is being used on cabinetry and velvet upholstery to provide a biophilic connection to the outdoors. Materiality and texture. Texture is the primary vehicle for luxury in 2026. High-gloss surfaces are being traded for honed and tumbled stones, matte finishes on marble and travertine that feel soft to the touch, boucle and raw linens, heavyweight textiles that add physical warmth to seating, plaster finishes, Roman clay and Venetian plaster walls add a subtle movement that flat paint cannot replicate, the art of the mixed wood stain. The matching set era is officially over. To achieve a high-end, curated aesthetic, designers are now layering various wood species. The key to mastering this is managing the undertone. The foundation, use a lighter wood, such as white oak or ash, for large surface areas like flooring or cabinetry to keep the space feeling airy. Creating a seamless flow between your kitchen, dining, and living room, often referred to as the great room concept, is less about the size of your budget and more about the intentionality of your layout. In 2026, we are seeing a definitive shift away from stark, cold minimalism toward warm functionalism. This design philosophy prioritizes sightlines that facilitate effortless conversation while using subtle architectural cues, such as varied ceiling heights, strategic lighting zones, or consistent flooring materials, to define distinct areas without the need for restrictive walls. It is about ensuring that the person prepping a meal feels just as connected to the social energy of the home as the person lounging on the sofa. The design shifts we have explored for 2026, ranging from the resurgence of rich, tactile stone surfaces and earthy pigments to the integration of invisible smart technology, are all centered on making your home a sanctuary of absolute elegance and restorative comfort. I would love to hear your perspective. Which of these 2026 design shifts resonated with you the most? Are you planning a major renovation? Or are you looking for small, impactful ways to refresh your current space? Let me know in the comments below. I truly love reading your thoughts and engaging with this incredible community of creators. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. If these insights sparked a bit of inspiration for your next project, please hit that subscribe button and join our design family for weekly deep dives into the world of interiors. Until next time, remember that your home is the ultimate reflection of your journey. Keep designing a life and a space you truly love. Bye for now.